our equipment, a host. If you receive it, you will have our ink cartridges. There are 330 RS in a set, 715 RS. And then there's one of our power cords, a foot switch, and 3 of our handles. The back is one of our screens. This is one of our accessories. Instrument installation. Install our screen first when installing. As for the screen, there is one of our card slots. If the card slot is aligned with our card slot, just plug it in. What about after plugging in the screen? We install the accessories at the back. What about installing it first? It's one of our foot switches. What about the installation of the foot switch? Because there is a card slot above it. For the card slot, we face up, align it up and insert it. Just plug it in and tighten it. When taking it off, it is also necessary to unscrew one of our screws. After unscrewing, hold one of our metal positions again. Extract again. It must be when we use it. If you pull and install it, the hand only holds this part. If you install it now, it is one of our 15 RS handles. There is an arrow here. If you install the arrow, we just need to align it up. If we install a part, the hand is only holding this section. Don't hold these handle wires. Then we install the alignment. Just card it in. If you want to take it off, just unplug it and take it off. The second one is an installation of our 15 RS handle. Just align and install it. An installation method of the previous one. Then one of our 30 RS handles is installed. We also aligned it when installing. Just insert it directly. Be sure to plug in. So here's the final word. Install one of our power cords. What about the location of the power cord? We aim at it. Then just plug it into the end. This is the installation of one of our instruments. One of our handle mounts. What about when installing our 30 RS handle? We must first align our words here. Align one of our 30 repeases. Then we will directly card in. If we want to take it out, is to press the button above. Obviously bounce off, we can take it out again. Before use, be sure to install one of our handles first. Then one of our 15 RS installations. What about when installing? We also align like this. Gently snap in. Obviously after hearing one of its jams, it's installed. Press both sides with both hands when taking it out. Obviously pop open and then take it out. Then this is our 15 repeases, and one of our 30 RS installations. Interface introduction. The first to use is one of our 30 repeases. So this is one of our interfaces. This is a solid line mode of MP. Here is a normal one-dotted line pattern. Here's a modulation of our ultrasound energy. Click here to start. What about after we start? It is controlled with a foot switch, one of our beginnings. Then pause here. Here is one of our total rounds. Here is the number of rounds used. What are we talking about here? It's a counting pattern. It will pause after 300 rounds of use. What if we don't need it? We can click this to cancel. This is a single shot pattern. Here's a loop of a pattern. What about if we are using 30 RS for a period of time? It cannot adjust these to places. There is no need to adjust here. And then what? Here's one of ours. An energy regulation of RF. What about RF energy regulation? We can start low. And here is one of our EMS. One mode adjustment. There are 3 output modes of EMS, A, B and C, just according to one choice of the customer. What if we're using the ultrasound mode? No need to use EMS mode or RF mode. We don't need to adjust the energy level. And what about this? It is an interface introduction of our 30 repeases. Then one of our 15 RS introductions. Here, the same as the solid line mode of one of our MPs. Normal dotted line pattern here. There's an energy modulation of the ultrasound. Plus or minus. And here is our total number of rounds. Number of rounds used. And our beginning. What about after we start? We can control it with a handle. Just operate it. And here's the pause. If we don't press start, press one of our operation keys. There's no way to start it. Then the words here, press start before output. And what about here? It's one of our counting modes. 5 rounds have just been recorded here, so if we don't use it, you can cancel it. And here we have one length. The length is our line. The length of the output is 25. Usually we don't adjust. And this is our density. Density. We are based on the customer's situation. Just adjust it. Generally, our default is 1.5. Then here is a single shot mode. So this is a circular pattern. And here's one of our RF tunings. Energy regulation is also plus or minus. And then here is our EMS model. A BC3 modes. Choose according to the actual situation of the customer. Energy is also adjusted from low. If you don't need to use our EMS, or one of our RF patterns, adjust it to 0 when we use it. There won't be. This is our overall introduction to a 15 rupees.